Hello friends! Welcome back to Apple English. Today, let's meet more parts of our body. They will present themselves. I'm your shoulder. You can carry your backpack on me. I'm your chest. Inside me, your heart beats every day. I'm your arm. You can hug, wave, and play with me. We are the hands. We help you touch, hold, and wave. We are the fingers. We help you grab and point. I'm your elbow. I help your arms bend. I'm your back. I help you carry your backpack. Don't forget to stretch me. I'm your belly. I rumble when you're hungry. I'm your waist. I help your body twist and turn. I'm your thigh. I'm strong to help you walk and kick. I'm your knee. You need me to run, jump, and dance. We are the legs. We help you walk, run, and jump. We are the feet. We help you stand and move around. Great! Now, let's say the body parts again. Repeat after me. Shoulder, chest, arm, hands, fingers, elbow, back, belly, waist, thigh, knee, legs, feet. You have met your amazing body. Every part has a job, and they all work together for you. Take care of your body. See you in the next video.